everyone, hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a while, but I've decided to pick up vlogging again because here in Seattle, it's the beginning of my favorite rainy season. And since I've been under self-imposed quarantine, I haven't really been doing much other than staying at home, painting, redecorating my studio, but I thought I would love to capture some of these more mundane, everyday moments for you all. A huge thank you to today's sponsor, Neon Earth, for supporting my channel and supporting the art community. Neon Earth is a wonderful print-on-demand service that allows you to pretty much print whatever you want onto any sort of merchandise or item that you can dream of. There literally was not one thing that I couldn't find on this website. They have clothes, they have home decor, canvas prints, rugs, stationery, yoga mats, even face masks. There are a wide range of fabric options on Neon Earth, and you can easily open your own shop to sell your designs, and artists receive a 15% commission on each sale. Even if you don't have anything of your own that you want to print onto, they have this amazing shop where you can support other artists by buying their designs printed on a wide array of products. I myself loved printing my own artwork and designs on various fun household items that I used to decorate my studio, and I'll show you real quick how to do it. It's super easy. It's literally as simple as selecting a product of your choice. Right now I'm demonstrating how to create a canvas print, and they take you to this very simple, easy to use design editor. All you have to do is upload your own artwork. I just chose one of my print files from my PC, and after it loads, you can just drag and drop to resize the image to fit onto the dimensions of the product, and that is literally it. Next, I'll demonstrate real quick how to create a throw pillow. It's just as simple as the canvas print. You just select the pillow product, go to the design editor, upload your file, and drag and drop the corners until the size and the composition is to your liking. And that is it. Next up, I'm going to create a really cool product that I actually haven't seen on any other print-on-demand service. It's a pop grip. It's kind of like a pop socket, so you can use it as a way to easily hold your phone, and it's also like a kickstand. So I'm using a painting I did of my dog Mushroom, and it's the same process. Select the product, go to the design editor, upload your file, and resize it to your liking, and save it. And the delivery was super fast. The products honestly are really good quality, especially the pillow. It's actually really comfortable to sit on. I'm using it right now as I'm editing this video. The canvas prints also seem to be hand wrapped, which is nice to have that custom handmade touch. So yeah, all in all, I feel very grateful that Neon Earth reached out and I got to try some of their awesome products. If you guys want to try out Neon Earth for yourself, I highly recommend you check out my video description for a special discount code, and hopefully you all enjoy the products as much as I did. everyone! I know it's been a really long time since I filmed a vlog or even shown my face on camera. I missed you all so much. I wanted to quickly just chat with you guys face to face because it's been a while, and I'm really sorry I've been absent from the vlogging world. I kind of fell off the wagon there for a while. I think it's been almost 2 years since I uploaded a vlog, and honestly, I just kind of fell into a creative lull. I realized that even though I love being creative with my artwork, I never put that same sort of effort into editing videos. Like, I never took time to learn how to frame shots in a beautiful way, or to, like, even in the post-processing and color grading and editing part, I never like watched tutorials or try to learn how to make things more visually appealing. The videos were just kind of this extra like supplement to the artwork, and the artwork for me was always the main source of my creativity. It was the main source of fulfillment, and so I just never got excited to make videos or to edit videos. There were always this kind of like burden for me, that something I had to do in order to present the art. So recently, because of the state of the world, and since a lot of us are locked down and just consuming a lot of content online because we can't go outside and do anything else, I've been watching a lot more YouTube videos, and I feel like vlogging has really evolved, and in a great way. It's really improved. Now a lot of the content that I watch, it's like, even if someone is just vlogging about their everyday, like mundane, normal life, they shoot it and edit it in such a beautiful way. It's almost like finding the magic and beauty in everyday things. So as I watch more and more vlogs, especially the ones that like are edited in ways that make me feel super calm and super relaxed, which is a like awesome break from feeling anxious all the time, I just got really inspired to try it out for myself. I even upgraded my filming equipment. I watched some more tutorials on how to edit videos properly, or how to like, you know, put like filters over the image to make them look really aesthetically pleasing. So I really wanted to put in the effort to make vlogs that felt like a piece of art on their own. But a huge disclaimer is it's not really a representation of reality. Like, I don't walk around usually with a full face of makeup, and I'm not usually showered. And you know, it is still kind of awkward for me to set up like my camera before I do something that I'm used to just doing without thinking about it. So there is a bit of stiffness where I have to overcome that. I realize that I don't want to present like a false image. I don't ever want to present an image of my life that is, you know, fake. But at the same time, I also do want to put effort into, I guess, framing my life in a way that's more aesthetically pleasing, so that the videos can, you know, benefit the viewer and give the viewer some motivation, some inspiration, some calmness. So yeah, I'm just rambling now, but thank you all so much for encouraging me. For those of you who've waited a long time for a vlog, I hope I delivered, and yeah, I just really miss you guys, and very excited to put out more videos like this moving forward. Okay, wrapping up the video, I'm so sorry for the self-promotion, but I just wanted to let you all know that my autumn sale is still going on in my shop. So if you want 15% off of your purchase, just enter the code AUTUMN at happyd-artist.com. And I'll be honest, the sale will likely not end anytime soon, so you all have plenty of time to get your orders in. And if you're interested in learning more about how to paint and draw, I have lots of art educational content on my Patreon page, including exclusive video tutorials, step-by-step photo tutorials, live streams, podcasts, and even surprise art gift boxes. All available at patreon.com/happydartist. I'd love to have you join my Patreon family. Also, if you want to check out more artworks, works in progress, and just random daily artist adventures, feel free to check out my Instagram, and you can follow me at the handle @happydartist.